I like this feature. We don't have to do so much of thing to remove the ice. It's so easy to remove the ice from the tray. Let's just have the drink. This is another video from GeoLife, and today we will talk about Samsung frost-free double door fridge. The model name is this. The packing is quite good, torn with some places. The height is this much, and just we have to open it from anywhere. So just quickly open it. So here's the fridge. The color is elegant. You can see silver brushed lines, and it looks quite awesome. Amazingly designed. It is the back of the fridge. These are the specifications, some of the. And let's go inside the fridge. This is the refrigerator compartment. This is the door. It looks quite spacious. It is 253 liters of the capacity. This is the vegetable basket. The good thing in these frost-free freezers that there is no collection of water inside this bucket, so that less smells. So here is the freezer part. It is quite big, and here's the refrigerator part. It is having LED light in the top of the refrigerator compartment. There is no light in freezer compartment, so it is quite good lit inside the refrigerator part. There is a knob, you can control the temperature from it. It is vent for circulating the cold air inside the fridge, and this is the movable ice maker. So let's just see what are the things were packed in the vegetable bucket. So first thing in this is the user manual. This is a user manual about installation and other things given in it. And the next thing we have to see is this thing, which might be a movable ice maker. This is movable ice maker, and this is the ice tray, which can be used anywhere in the freezer compartment, or we can remove it. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.